But remember, the bread may. Hallo julle, I am baking a banana loaf, so never throw away any fruit bananas, 2 ripe bananas. I think the kids do it on purpose for banana loaf. And it's so nice the next day. So first I'll give you the measurements, but this is sugar and butter that I'm first gonna glitz. And I put in half the amount of sugar because otherwise it becomes very sweet. First you cream the butter and the sugar, then you add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. And you go again. After the vanilla essence, I'm doubling the recipe. I know my mom said you should never double a recipe, but I'm going to give it a go so I can make loads. Then you add the eggs 1 for 1. Like I said, I'm doubling the recipe, so there's 4 cups of flour and there's already this baking powder and salt that I've sieved in advance. So I'm adding it to that egg and butter and sugar and vanilla essence mix, and I'm going to mix it again. While I've got you on the line. While I've got you on the line, I've already mashed 9 fruit bananas. That's going in last. One standard bread calls for 4 to 6 bananas. I've had 9 fruit ones, so I'm adding that. Remember, I'm doubling the recipe. And then you just mix away. Remember to preheat your oven before you start your banana loaf and grease your pans. Quick and easy, all mixed up. The little humans are gonna love me. Remember to grease the pan, don't fill it all the way to the top, still needs to go up. Someone borrowed my silicone bread pan, but now this is a good idea. I'm going to make muffins for lunchboxes tomorrow. So I'm going to fill this up, making a mess, I'll do that probably now, and it goes into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for an hour. But remember, the bread may take a little bit longer than the muffins, so you can just check it out. I normally don't put it in for an hour because we still like it very moist. All done and ready for the oven. Before you put it in, you do that. I don't know why. My mom said. My mom says. If you like this video, please like and subscribe below.